Today, we will discuss a very important topic in our design and analysis of an algorithm, that is a P class, NP hard, and NP complete problem. Basically, when the problem is given, then we need to find an algorithm, that means its solution. And that algorithm can be solved either in a polynomial time or in a non-polynomial time. So let us see what are the polynomial class problems, that means P class problem. So the problem which can be solved on a polynomial time is known as a P-class problems. So what are the examples of a P-class problems? All the sorting and searching algorithm. Means when we take an example of a linear search algorithm, then the time complexity of the linear search is just a big of n. That means in a big of n time we can solve the or search any number from the given list. Similarly, in a sorting algorithm, when we take an example of a bubble sort, peak sort, or any type of a sorting, then its type complexity is just a big of n square. And also we can verify the output of the sorted data. So these are the example of a P-class problem, and we can definitely verify the output of the problems. So second class is a NP-class problems. A problem which cannot be solved in a polynomial time but can be verified in a polynomial time is known as a NP class or a non-deterministic problem. So which are the example of a NP class problem? For example, prime factor, scheduling, traveling salesman, knapsack problems. These are the example of a NP class problems. That means we cannot solve that problems in a polynomial time, but we definitely verify the output of that problem in a polynomial time. Means we can differentiate the P class problems and the NP class problem. The NP class problems, that means it is verified in a polynomial time, and the P class problems not only solve in a polynomial time but it verify in a polynomial time. But what about NP class? Means NP class are hard to solve and easy to verify in exponential time, and the P class are easy to solve and P class are easy to solve and easy to verify in a polynomial time. Here we can see diagrammatically these are the P class set and these are the NP class set. So here P is inside the NP. That means all the problems that can be solved in a polynomial time, they can be solved in a non-polynomial time. But not on all the problems that can be solved in a non-polynomial time cannot be solved in a polynomial time. That means P is a subset of a NP and NP is a superset of a P. Then what are the tractable problems and the non-tractable problem? Tractable problems means problems that means they can be solved in a polynomial time, and the non-tractable means the vice versa of a tractable, that means they cannot be solved in a polynomial time. Then see the concept of a reduction. Means when there are two problems, that is A and B, then we can convert A problem into the B problem, and that conversion is called as a reduction. That means A and B are the two problems, then the problem A is reduces to B problem if and only if there is a way to solve A by deterministic algorithm that solve the B in a polynomial time. Means what? If we find the solution of A in a polynomial time, then we can definitely find the solution of a B in a polynomial time. Means we can say there are two properties of a reduction. The first one is if A is reducible to B and B in a polynomial time, then A is also in a polynomial time. Then second is if A is not solved in a polynomial time, then B also cannot be solved in a polynomial time. Then next is NP hard problem. So what are the NP hard problems? A problem is NP hard if every problem in a NP can be solved or the reducible in a polynomial time. Let us see diagrammatically. There are a set of NP classes. These are the P classes. Then take a one set. If all the problems of NP is reducible to this set and this reduction is in a polynomial time, then this set is in a NP hard. That means this reduction is in a polynomial time, so it is in a NP hard. Then next is a NP complete problem. A problem is in a NP complete if it is in a NP hard and it is NP hard. If it is solved in a non-polynomial time and if it is a NP hard, again see this concept diagrammatically. These are the P class of problem, these are the NP class of problem, and here these are the NP hard problem. Here this NP is reduced to NP hard. Which part is reducible? Those are in a NP. So reducing this NP hard problem to this particular part, and this part is called as a NP complete problem. Means this reduction is also in a polynomial time, and this is a NP hard problem, and this covered part is called as a NP complete problem. That means when there are a number of computational complexity problem, they are mainly divided into two types, that is the P class and the NP class, and again NP class are divided into NP hard and the NP complete problem.